What is programming algorithm? Is a set of instructions or rules to be followed by a computer program, which should contain an input, process, and output depending on the problem to be solved. Algorithms are fundamental to computer programming because they provide a systematic approach to problem solving. They allow programmers to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps, making it easier to develop solutions efficiently and effectively. IPO model of algorithm. The IPO model, also known as the input, process, output model, is a conceptual framework used to describe the behavior and structure of algorithms. It breaks down the algorithm into three main components. Input. This is the data that the algorithm operates on. It represents the information that the algorithm takes in at the beginning of its execution. Inputs can come from various sources, such as user input, files, databases, or other parts of the program. Process. This is the core logic of the algorithm. It represents the steps or operations that the algorithm performs on the input data to produce the desired output. The process component encompasses all the computations, comparisons, and transformations that occur during the execution of the algorithm. Output. This is the result or outcome generated by the algorithm after processing the input data. The output can take different forms, such as displaying information to the user, saving data to a file, or performing an action based on the processed input. Variable. In programming, a variable is a named storage location used to store data that can vary during the execution of a program. Each variable has a specific data type such as integer, string, or Boolean and a value associated with it, which can be assigned, updated, and used in computations or operations within the program.
Today, I will demonstrate an example of a programming problem.
The program problem is create a program that will display the sum of two inputted numbers by the user. This is the solution, so first, declare three variables, two for the oddends and one for the sum. And second, let the user input the oddends. Third, perform the addition between the oddends and assign it to the sum. And fourth, display the sum. In this given example, the first step is declare variables. The algorithm starts by declaring three variables. The two variables are for holding the numbers that the user will input, and the third variable is for holding the result of adding these numbers. Step 2. User input. The algorithm prompts the user to input the two oddends. This step involves the user providing two numbers that they want to add together. Step 3. Perform addition. Adds the two numbers inputted by the user together. This is typically done using a simple addition operation where the result is stored in the variable designated for holding the sum. Step 4. Display sum. Finally, the algorithm displays the sum of the two numbers to the user. This step involves showing the result of the addition operation performed in Step 3. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us on this algorithmic adventure. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the beauty of algorithms in your programming journey.